All right, so the coin we are covering today is Algorand, which, along with the rest of the market, is taking an absolute beating today. Algo is currently down to $1.18 per token, 17% down on the day so far. And if you were bullish on Algorand yesterday, or really even just earlier this morning when it was sitting at $1.51, then there's no reason for that thesis to change. Obviously, none of this is financial advice. Do your own research. I am not a financial advisor, et cetera, et cetera. But fundamentally, nothing has changed one bit about Algorand. There's no grand conspiracy like some other YouTubers and podcasters would have you believe around El Salvador and the IMF. This is just natural market dynamics where if you are fast enough and keen on what's happening, you can take advantage of these steep discounts on some of these altcoins like Algorand and others. And assuming, Coinbase and BlockFi and all the other exchanges are actually working today, which some of them are very much down. But yeah, I mean, there's great projects like Uniswap is down huge today. So is Synthetics, Chainlink, and some other really quality projects that are going to be around for a very long time to come. The market, as we've seen in the recent past, just gets a little ahead of its skis, a little too frothy, way too over leveraged. And I hope none of my listeners and viewers are using leverage, but I certainly feel for you today if that's the case. I'm not here, to tell you you are an idiot for using leverage. If you are a pro and you know how to properly, leverage and mitigate risk, and then I'm all for it. I have a lot of friends who have made their fortunes using leverage, but it's days like this that will completely and absolutely wreck you and scare traders and investors like myself away from it forever. But the great thing, and the most exciting thing about this market is when you have days like this where everything is, well, not everything is down. I think Solana somehow is still going up throughout all of this today. But you are able, if you are able to look under the hood at a project like Algorand, which it has so much bullish momentum and traction, and take advantage of it, then it's a great day for you. I mean, Algo just 5 days ago was revealed to be partnering with Coinbase, the largest Latin American exchange in the country of El Salvador, to be the project picked to develop blockchain infrastructure for El Salvador's services industry, which is just hugely bullish. It had seemed like Charles Hoskins and in the had this in the bag for Cardano, and somehow Algorand came in and swept it up from them. But this is just another use case of national governments partnering with Algorand or taking advantage and utilizing the Algorand blockchain. We have the Marshall Islands project, the Brixton Pound, and among others that are currently in development. It sounds like, or at least to be rumored to be in development, or talks are ongoing. But yeah, it's a very fun day in my mind. It's if you've been in the market for quite a while, you kind of get used to these days and take advantage of them. You hope the market doesn't keep going down from here. It looks like things are stabilizing a bit. Even as I talk, it looks like Algorand is popping up to about $1.21. So hopefully we found a base here and we'll revert back up. But yeah, just kind of an interesting, I think, fun day in the market to dollar cost average into some of these projects that you've been waiting to come down a little bit. At least that's what I'm doing. Obviously, not recommending that to anyone, not a financial advisor, et cetera, et cetera. Do your own research. But yeah, still very much of a bullish on Algorand. Probably even more so this week than I was the week before. When it was much higher than it is now. But anyway, let me know what you guys are thinking today on a crazy day in the market. What your price predictions still are for Algorand. I think it's definitely going up from here. But time will tell what this market is going to do and how quick it'll snap back. But yeah, let me know if you guys are stocking up on Algorand today. What your price predictions are. What are some other coins that you were DCAing today, or just going full ape into? But yeah, fun day in the market. Yeah, if you guys are watching on YouTube, give us a like and subscribe, comment down below if you could. And if you're catching us on the iTunes or Spotify on the podcast, give us a rate and review if you could. That'd be fantastic. And yeah, if you guys want to check out BlockFi and just stack those Satoshis, use the link down below to get up to $250 worth of free Bitcoin when you use that link down below to sign up. But anyway, that is the show for today. Check back tomorrow when we cover another coin for you. Hopefully, it's as interesting of a day tomorrow as as it was today. All right. Bye bye. Talk to you later.